Hi, this is Raj from Sportscars. Here I've got a very special 997 Gen 1.5 turbo made in 2009. So one of the last off the production line with the Mezger engine. So being a Gen 1.5, it has the Gen 1 rear lights and rear bumper, as you can see there. The turbo 3.6 forged diamond cut alloy wheels. But the real special thing about this car is it has the Gen 2 Sat-Nav, PCM, Bluetooth, air conditioning control, all of that stuff from the Gen 2 was first introduced in this Gen 1.5. I believe the reason why there was a Gen 1.5 was to use up the leftover Mezger engine blocks that had gone through production, but they'd already developed all the Gen 2 electronics in the background of the 997, so they decided to do a halfway house which has the best engine and drivetrain and also the best electronics from the later 997. Now, other options on this car, I mean, it's a full extended black leather car. It also has the 16-way adaptive sport seats for the driver and passenger, so it has lumbar support, 3 separate cushions there, fully electric back, up and down of the base, forward and aft, and also back and forth, all electric, as well as bolsters. So the bolsters on the bottom and the top can be adjusted with these 2 switches here, and also all those memories are stored in both the 2 keys that come with the car, but also you can have settings for 3 other settings, and that also saves the mirrors. So the electric mirrors also are linked to those memories. Now, as I said, it does have sat-nav. It also has the Bose 13 speaker system, so there's the Bose label there, and it does have Bluetooth as well. Heated seats were another option on here, 2-stage heating, and also, as you'll see there, tyre pressure monitoring in the middle. So it's got live pressure monitoring of each of the wheels, and it will flash up errors if one of them suddenly loses pressure, either suddenly or over time. It will say this one needs topping up. Mileage wise, this is incredibly low, 39,802 miles. It's a 2009, so just over 10 years and very little mileage. It's also got a full service history with it, looked after by Porsche main dealers and Parr, PARR Porsche specialists for a number of years. Sport Chrono Package Plus is also on this car. I've actually managed to stop 9 seconds 11. Rear seats are in good condition as well, and you'll see the Bose subwoofer here, so that's that extra bit behind the rear seats. This is also a sunroof car, so it has an electric tilt slide sunroof, which is one touch. So you can shut it, you can have it on tilt, or you can have it fully open. So the turbos had their own design gear knob, which is aluminium, half aluminium and leather. This car also has another special option, which is a leather center console, another factory option. Plus it has, being a Gen 1.5 with the PCM system, it has auxiliary input, USB connectivity, and Apple iPod connectivity too. Plus the multi-function steering wheel, and the rain sensor is also on this car, and the auto dimming mirrors. And then finally on the inside, another option is the stainless steel seal guards. And for the condition of the car, this car is just sensational. It's in Arctic silver with the original style alloys. All of the cars came with daylight running lights, which are these little LEDs there, as well as the self-leveling bi-xenon headlights. The bodywork is absolutely flawless. Oh, another option on the outside actually is the lower sills painted in body colour. Now, as standard, it would have come with plastic black lower sills here, but this one was spec from the factory with those painted in Arctic silver to match the rest of the car. And also, these tail lights are all red. The standard option lights had a white band here, or a clear band here, so that is another option, red tail lights. The wing does go up and down, it doesn't go up a huge amount. It didn't need to on this car because the lower wing is also quite big as well. And it has rear park assist, so it has audible warnings with those 4 sensors on the back bumper, and that all works as it should. I'll just do the wing. Get it to come up so you can see it goes up as it should. And then I'll open up the bonnet, the rear boot, to show you this fantastic Mezger engine unit. Now the turbos on this are quite special. They're called, it says it here, variable turbine geometry. The vanes are varying degrees of angle so that they actually spool up at lower revs, so you don't really feel lag at all. It's more of a linear process of the turbos coming onto spool. This car's a 3.6, a flat 6 obviously, which you can hear the flat 6 engine purring away, with two turbos, and it produces 485 horsepower and a lot of torque. So there's a view through the sunroof. I'll just do it from the other side. So there you can see all the leathers. The dashboard is also leather with the white stitching, or grey stitching I should say, as are the doors, which are all in great condition. And as I said, that centre console is also stitched leather. Unusual to see, to be honest. I haven't seen another one on the market with that. And then the rear seats on this side as well. So there you have it. If you'd like to find out more about this car, then please get in touch. Thanks for watching.